Spurs or Thunder? Who's winning the 2026 championship? Let's design a bold prediction flyer using Canva, step by step. All right, I'm going to log into my Canva account. Once I'm in, it will show you a social media icon. You click there, it will show you different social media platforms, and you choose Instagram post. And once you're in, it will show you a blank page. And this is the area you're going to work on, and you go to uploads. Already you would have selected all the images you wanted and uploaded them. You choose the best HD quality photos, and you will drag them onto the blank canvas. Later you will align them perfectly on the page, but now you just be focused on placing them on the Canva. The background here, I'm going to layer it at the back so that it's not covering the players, as you can see. Once that's done, I'm going to stretch it out so that the background fills the whole page. When I'm done, I'm going to go to elements so that I can look for effects, nice effects like thunder or smoke, to make it more dramatic. So I'm going to use the lightning for the Spurs player. It's just subtle for the Spurs players. Once that's done, I'm going to look for a dramatic lightning bolt. So you see it cannot fit there, so I'm going to add a page where I can adjust the sizes. Once I adjust on a blank page, I can then drag it up again and place it at the top of the page. So I'm going to add a blue flame for my thunder player, just to make it dramatic and more popping. They say less is more, but I'm going to be more concerning this poster. So I adjust the sizes again on a blank Canva, and when I'm done, I drag it up again. I adjust the sizes, placing nicely the images. I'm going to do the same again for the Spurs player. I will choose a white cloud for him, and I place my player at the far end. I duplicate the cloud so that it's thicker. Once I'm done, I'm going to add a heading. You can see there's now space between the two players. I'll add heading. So the font that I'm going to use is Big Shoulder. I already used it, so I'm just going to go to recently used, and there it is. I'm going to just type in the words 2026 championship prediction. It's in black, you cannot see, so I need to make it visible. But first I will increase the font size to 100. It will be more better and popping and showing. So now I'm trying to change the color of the font from black to white. I'm just going to highlight all the words, and I'll choose color white. Now there it is, the white that I was looking for. You go to effects and you choose between glow and neon. Personally, I like neon. I like bright lights. So I'll drag it to the top and I will place it at the center by saying align page and click on center. It will automatically place the heading at the center. Now I'm going to add another heading. I'll click on text and go to add subheading. I'm going to use Canva Sans 44, white color also, and I will type who will win. The white color is better because it's showing more than the black. I'll add another subheading. I want to use the font Rig Solid. This is going to be for Versus. I'm going to add the font to about 178 so that it's big and visible. I'll add a spacing between V and S because I want to put a fire effect there. Once that's done, I'm going to drag the heading Versus to the bottom. It still looks nice if I just leave it like this without the fire, but as I said, I like dramatic things. So I'll choose this fire effect and I'll adjust it so that it will fit to the place where I want to lay it. So I'll keep adjusting the flame to the size that I want so that it looks the way that I want. So with Canva, you can do a lot of things. You can turn it around 360 degrees to suit all your needs. So I want it to be in the middle of V and S. And once I'm done, I will duplicate it again so that it's more thick and visible. So that's it. There you have your flyer from a blank page to this beautiful poster. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like the video. If you have any suggestions and comments, you can comment right below and tell me what you want in the next video. Thank you.